Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. You guys, my eyes are super watery. I don't know what's going on with them. I think my allergies are starting to kick in. So you see my eyes are super watery. I don't know what's happening, but yeah, allergy season. So I apologize for that. You guys, I have a fantastic giveaway for you all today. It is a hodgepodge of yarn, Hobbii, big twist value, Lion brand Ferris wheel. This is the exact Ferris wheel that I have. Gold. I found this random thing in my closet. This is a huge skein of Red Heart Super Saver and then Lion brand basic stitch. For those of you that have been on my channel for a while, these are the giveaways that I used to do, kind of like hodgepodge, just like I used to call them samplers. So in celebration of St. Patrick's Day today, happy St. Patrick's Day, I am going to give away all of this yarn. I was literally just grabbing yarn off of my shelves. My daughter was laughing at me and it was pretty funny. I'm like, oh, I'll get this. Where's all the green? So I just took all the green that I have. So this video is going to be a little bit about just me talking to you guys about what's been happening with me health-wise. So sit down. We're going to talk a little bit. Last July, I went to see my gynecologist and I had my exam and she said, you know, I have tumors. So they took kind of a wait and see approach, tumors in my uterus. And that was July. So in October, I had an ultrasound and my uterus had gotten bigger and they found several tumors and cysts all throughout my uterus. So I had to take a Lupron shot. They were gonna do surgery, but they gave me the Lupron shot to shrink my tumors down. So I went through all of that. That was in November. I got the shot and it was horrible on me because I took a 3-month dose all at once and I just had these massive migraines that would not go away. Fast forward to January of this year, went back to the doctor. Good news, tumors have shrunk to where I have to get a hysterectomy. So procedure is easier to have. But sorry, there's no available surgeries. So we have to wait till March 31st. So you have to have another Lupron shot. I was dreading that because I thought I was gonna have horrible migraines. I only got a month dose. And so far, I've been tolerating the shot a lot better. So I said, great, that's awesome, good news. I got the shot a couple weeks ago, haven't had any major symptoms, so yay. Last week, my doctor, my surgeon calls and my doctor calls and they said, look, we don't mean to alarm you, but you have cysts on your ovaries that may be cancerous. They just started growing in like the past 4 months. So I said, wonderful. And then they said, you know, you're going to have to take a cancer test and we're going to have to wait and see what the results were. And I'm like, oh my God, are you kidding me? My dad died from cancer. My brother died from cancer. My husband had kidney cancer. So it's like, okay. So I got the test. It's a blood test. And got that a week and a half ago. Was waiting for the results. I got the test results on Monday and totally negative for that type of cancer. So I'm super excited. That was really on my mind. And it's been like up and down and good news, bad news, and great, oh, but this, great, oh, but this. So 2 weeks from now, I will have my surgery and everything will be fine and I will be ready to go. It's like I've just been dealing with this for like 8 months now, 10 months now, and it's like, ugh. So my mind is good. I've just been dealing with this up and down kind of thing, and it's just been like taxing. And, you know, I haven't been getting sleep and everything. And it's just like, so happy St. Patrick's Day. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. You guys are part of my life. I'm on here almost every day, and I do share my life. And I really like sharing it because I'm on TikTok. I'm on, you know, YouTube also. And like, I love when creators share parts of their life, that what they're going through, because it, you know, people are going through the exact same thing. So if I can relate to one of you guys, or maybe you guys are going through the same thing, you know, it's been horrible, but I'm here. You know, I crested the hill and I'm here on this side and I'm feeling much, much better. So I just wanted to share that with all of you. Thank you all so much for being here. What else am I going to talk about? My bracelets today. So anyway, that's what I was dealing with. That's what I've been dealing with. And I know it's just been tough, and it's just been a roller coaster is what it's been. So that whole thing is going to be put behind me very, very soon. I have my surgery in 2 weeks and I'm super excited. I just thought I'd share that with you. Moving on. Today, you guys know I make bracelets, you guys. These bracelets and just the jewelry that I've been making really, really calm my nerves, along with crochet. So today I have a lot of green varieties of bracelets. This is the new jade, and then we have the green strawberry quartz. This one's really pretty. And then we have the green aventurine prenite. These are all 40% off today. Just want to let you know, my Etsy shop, my link will be up there. If you guys want to take advantage of the sale, 40% off. I also have a bunch of other things on sale. I know I'm talking really fast because I drink a lot of coffee. Another thing I want to talk to you guys about are my memberships. Thank you so much to everyone. I really, really appreciate you all that have become a member recently. Memberships, you guys, I make it really, really affordable. It's literally like 10 cents a day. If you can afford 10 cents a day for my channel, you guys can become a member. You do not have to be a member to win my giveaways, okay? Channel membership is where you support me monetarily by giving a monthly contribution. I have it like $3 a month, $6, and $9. So if you guys can do that, please, 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 you help me out tremendously. All the money that I receive literally goes into buying yarn for the giveaways. I reinvest everything. So the more money I get, the more money I spend on you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really appreciate you all. If you would like to become a member, I will have the link up above here, and I will also have the link down below. What do you get with membership? You get access to me. I will respond to all of your comments on all the videos. You get members only live chats. I'm going to start doing that Thursdays and Fridays. Today I'm going to have a members only chat at noon. And I don't know, emojis and all kinds of good stuff. So, and just know that you are contributing to one of your favorite creators, right? So thank you. I appreciate you all. I appreciate all of my subscribers. I appreciate everyone that watches my channel. So this is how I appreciate you guys, by giving away yarn. Oh, I forgot. I'm wearing the Gathered Spikes Stitch sweater, you guys. I am literally almost done. Thank you so much for all of your comments. I am going to keep the short sleeve. I'm only going to do like a half double crochet. I messed up my hand. My hand, when I crochet, I was making the Easter basket with Lily Sugar and Cream yarn. And I was just pushing myself, and my hand has been hurting. It hurt all day yesterday, and I woke up today in tremendous pain. Well, a little bit less pain, but still, I haven't been able to crochet yesterday. Today, I'm going to try to crochet on my live and finish this sweater. So the tutorial will be out this weekend, maybe tomorrow, definitely on Sunday. It's very, very easy. I make it super easy for beginners. This is literally just 2 rectangles. So if you guys like it, I'll have the tutorial out this weekend, okay? That's all, and stop talking. Let's get to the giveaway. This giveaway is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 skeins of all kinds of awesome yarn. Let me put my glasses on. My eyes are still really watery. I can't see. So let's start with the first one. The first one is the Lion Brand Ferris Wheel in Evergreen. This is Lion Brand Ferris Wheel in Evergreen. I love it. It's super lightweight, you guys. It's super awesome. 270 yards. It's a 4-weight 5mm hook, and the color is evergreen. So you get all of this yarn. This is not a U-pick or anything. It's all of this yarn, okay? Next, Big Twist. I thought that this is like pot of gold color. Really pretty. Big Twist value. Everyone knows that this is my favorite yarn. It's 380 yards, 4-weight, 5mm hook, and this color is called Varsity Gold. Really, really pretty. And then we have to the one that literally I just found. I put makeup on and I'm like, oh, is there a skein back there? Literally, this was back there. I don't know where it came from, but this is a super jumbo, super saver skein of yarn. The color is so gorgeous. I'm sure I bought this for like a Christmas project or something. 744 yards of beauty. And this color is called Hunter Green. You guys know, 5.5mm, 6mm 4-weight. Super, super beautiful. And then we have another Big Twist value in Varsity Green. Really pretty. And then another Big Twist value in Emerald Green. Someone's gonna have fun with this. I see like granny squares or even a really pretty blanket. I was on TikTok the other day and there was like about 25 people in there, and literally every single person was making a blanket. It was so hilarious. You have also Lion Brand Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling Premium Yarn. Oh, this isn't the anti-pilling. This is just the premium yarn. I love this yarn. Super gorgeous. 219 yards. 4-weight. It's so interesting because this says 6mm, but I think this is wider than this. It's 5mm. 219 yards. This color is called Ivy. Look at all of these gorgeous greens. Really pretty. Okay, anyway, stay focused. And then I'm throwing in, I have a whole cubby full of Hobbii Dahlia Mixo yarn that I need to give away. I just have it sitting there. This is super premium yarn from Hobbii, you guys. One thing I will say to the winner, whoever wins this yarn, it's literally thread. It's 4 pieces of thread spun together, so it would be really pretty to mix it with one, like mix it in throughout a project. That would be kind of cool too. Anyway, for those of you who haven't, who don't know, I'm actually sponsored by Hobbii, and I'm gonna do another round of sponsorship soon because they reached out to me. But Hobbii yarn is super, super beautiful. Look at how gorgeous that is. This is the Hobbii Dahlia. It's 100% acrylic. This is 874 yards of beauty. On their website, they have a lot of patterns that you can make a shawl with this one skein. Gorgeous, gorgeous patterns. It's 3.5 to 4mm. The color is called 12. They don't have the color names on their labels. Dahlia Mixo, 100% cotton. Is that gonna focus? There it is, right there. So you guys get all of this, the whole thing, all of it. What do you got to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Please remember, subscription and membership are two separate things, okay? You do not have to be a member to win this yarn at all. All you got to do is be subscribed. So be subscribed to my, but if you want to become a member, the link will be down below. Be subscribed to my channel and then answer this question. It is springtime officially here in the Bay Area in California. I actually went out and bought soil today because I bought a bunch of seeds. So answer this question. What is your favorite thing about springtime? What do you like about springtime? I love gardening and I love planting. So literally I bought a ton of zinnia seeds yesterday and I'm going to go to town on, my house is going to be filled with zinnias this year. So what do you love? What do you love about spring? Let me know down below in the comments. I know I was really talking fast during this video because I have a lot to say. Thank you for listening to me babble, you guys. This was a babbling video, but I've just had that inside and I just had to get it out and just talk to you guys because you're really good listeners. So thank you so much for all of your support. Thank you so much for all of the comments, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really appreciate you all. I hope you have a fabulous day wherever you are. Good luck, and we'll talk to each other in the next video. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.